Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out tax-exempt forms. Navigating the process of securing tax-exempt status for your organization can seem complex, but with a clear guide, it becomes much more manageable. We will walk through each essential step, from understanding the fundamental requirements to successfully submitting your application. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you have all the information needed to complete your forms accurately and efficiently, helping your organization achieve its mission without unnecessary tax burdens. When completing your tax-exempt form, several key sections demand precise attention. First, accurately provide your organization's full legal name and current mailing address. Next, ensure you include your employer identification number, or EIN, which is crucial for identification. Clearly describe your organization's primary activities and its overarching purpose, detailing how it meets the criteria for exemption. Finally, specify the exact Internal Revenue Code section under which you are seeking tax-exempt status, such as 501c3 for charitable organizations. Accurate financial reporting is a cornerstone of your tax-exempt application. You must detail your organization's income and expenses for the past 3 to 5 years, depending on the form. Clearly list all assets, such as cash and property, and all liabilities, including debts. Additionally, attach essential supporting documents like your articles of incorporation or trust documents, which establish your organization's legal structure. Include your bylaws and any comprehensive financial statements to provide a complete picture of your financial health. Before submitting your tax-exempt form, a thorough review is absolutely critical. Double-check every section for accuracy, ensuring all information is complete and consistent. Make certain that the form is properly signed and dated by an authorized individual. After submission, always keep a complete copy of the entire application package for your organization's records. Remember, obtaining tax-exempt status is just the first step. Understanding and adhering to ongoing compliance requirements, such as annual reporting, is vital for maintaining your status.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.